What's up? It's your girl, Sway Ben, and I'm back at it again. I'm back on the YouTube shit. Basically, I'm finna get my hair done at Damien's shop. At Damien's shop right now. At the GOAT shop. At the GOAT in Atlanta. If you don't know, now you know. Finna get my hair done. Got my braces done. Don't do that. This just made my teeth go creaky, as you see. But you see that I'm at Damien's shop, finna walk in, finna get my hair slayed. That's just period. I'm finna be a bad bitch.
You get your hair done today?
Yeah.
Put your car on the sidewalk.
Alright. Alright, bitch. You better be glad you told me. That's security. Don't do that. But yeah, I'm rolling real quick. You know, I gotta get high real quick. But finna roll up, you finna smoke. I'm finna get my hair done. So I'm just vlogging because I'm back on y'all ass because I got my hair done. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna be vlogging me getting my hair done. I'm gonna post that hoe. Trying to roll up real quick, but yeah, I'm gonna be back when we start the process of the install. Okay, I'm trying to roll up real quick, and I'm trying to do YouTubes because y'all want me to draw YouTube, so bitch, I'm back. I'm back with the shit. You feel me? I'm trying to stay out the way. You feel me? So I'm gonna be back. Don't do that. Okay, right. We had to go. Really proof car. Don't do that. What Elliot? Shut up, you. She braiding my hair too. You braiding my hair too. Where y'all want me to sit in? Right here. Don't do that. Damn, my shit finna hurt. Don't do that. Do this. Ouch. You got shit glued in there? That's a Damien ring. The girl told me not to because she told me not. It's gonna be hard to take off. Some shit she said. The girl up in the front. I'm gonna get my hair braided.
It's gonna be just like the front. I ain't. What? She said like the back gonna be hard to take off. I like getting my glue back. I'm guard is better.
That's what she said, cause I said I want mine's glued back. I said I want mine's glued back. She was like, the way y'all switch y'all hair, I think you should
Don't listen to her. You better get your shit glued back.
Baby.
You put your shit in the ponytail or not? That's what they're saying.
Before, wait till.
Acting like
the braids. Ooh, baby, I'm seeing that this shit hurts. My face breaking out. Y'all see it? It's breaking out. But we almost done with the braids. We almost done with the braids. Please don't do that. Don't do that. Don't play with that motherfucking girl. Just wait till I look after this wig on. So man, got to be glue on there. That hoe gonna stay down for you. I'm little motherfucker. Please don't play with Damien, baby. She feeds us on Fridays. I don't know about nobody else. Let me make sure my sister got a plate. So you got your plate? So you got your plate? So you got your plate? Do that. What you getting, Ella?
Some liquor.
That's some liquor. What you getting? You don't need drink. This rich shit.
It's a little sneak up. It's a little sneak up.
Girl, you don't need drink. This hoe don't drink, not a lip.
She said that, but she said she on one today. She sipping with her pinky up.
You gonna get that when you go to 3. You gonna drink that today? Why you worried about that? You probably get that when you go get your man. Oh, you not sick. I just trying to make sure you eat. Oh, that's all. I ain't on there. If you go back on the dry though. Let me eat my food. I gotta go, y'all. They swear, baby, you gotta zoom. Even when you zoom in, what y'all bad about the light? Do they?
Cause I just bleached her hair and.
Don't do that. By the goat.
Okay.
Like.
I thought a bro bitch said
They didn't.
It all.
I thought a bitch who 6'13" don't look like mine said something.
Oh, where?
Oh, I ain't think they said.
Oh, where? You was in the game. Like, I never seen the whole house.
Never.
Tell me.
First hoe.
The first hoe.
First hoe to get slayed in Mobile like this.
You ain't even done yet. That shit.
We ain't even done
It
it. It's not done.
Girl, don't. Girl, don't. Ooh.
Oh my god.
She did that shit. I ain't even gonna.
It ain't even like flat.
Girl, them hoes don't even get it that long, so you Rapunzel right now.
You say, bitch, what this is on?
They only be doing like a 20.
not a 20.
They might do a 22. They be doing the 20 though.
Baby, that long. They can't even do that. They can't do
And
that.
that shit don't be
Balls. They be doing the balls.
And that shit don't be glued down in the back. Bitch,
Oh, okay.
It's out my scalp.
Girl, this your wrist. Show your back. Show your back. Where?
It's growing out the scalp. Stop playing.
Stop playing. That's your real hair.
Never seen a light skin hoe with some blood hair coming out the roof.
At they motherfucking head.
Get out of there.
Get out of there. Problem is that what the problem
Be my
is.
friend. I might pay for your shit to come get up here and book for the goat.
Just be my friend. You want to be with me? Just be my friend. You might can get in. Like
You'll get famous treatment.
you got better. You doing better rather befriending me than trying to be an enemy with me. Like you crazy.
Cause y'all hoes shit could never, damn it, could never. Bitch, catch up. Mustard.
That bitch said catch your mustard. Trust the process.
They left in the backfield. Y'all done left them in the backfield. That's why they trying to catch up. I'm trying to tell you. So what you helping?
She said she don't know.
Left them in the battlefield. Definitely in the battlefield.
They fighting by themselves.
Cause it was a long 30 days without that wig, baby.
Who?
Baby.
Me?
No, somebody me. I ain't had no wig.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You right. I'm wrong. You right. I'm wrong. This how I look if I was bald head. What? Yeah.
Fine. Sexy right here.
What hairstyles do it like this? If you gonna do it where we can't see it.
No wig on. They can't even see what hairstyle.
Just do it where we can't see it. Do it where we can't see it. What you got going on back there?
Right.
What you got going on back there? If you gonna do the cap, do it all the way where we can't
Do
see
it all
it.
the way. Nobody trying to see.
Do the invisible cap. We ain't trying to see the line.
Bald head hoe. Bald head.
That no glue on there.
That means she be on Miko. I be looking at her thing. She got like
Do that.
$20,000 on her. I almost charged about $50 for the passport. I'm like, look at
Loading.
the don't book
Loading.
Loading.
Baby, I owe price. Baby, don't come to me by no price. I'm like, Damien, oh, that's $500. I'm like, baby, look, I told her that she started saying.
Yes, some ice cream.
Yeah, that's what I know well with me.
She always trying to listen to that when I did.
What you say?
You recorded for your YouTube channel?
Oh, you ain't got to. Oh, she ain't got to speak in here, but yeah, you can play it. She ain't gonna hear it loud.
That shell that you like?
Somebody, I hate my channel. I was gonna record it, but I was like,
Somebody said they hate Fam0usTwins.
She need the that's the song. She need to hear I Be Thuggin' and I Hate Fam0usTwins. She need to hear both.
well, they gonna be gone by the time I get done, though.
That's why I'm finna say, why y'all just gonna
Let me show y'all.
Slapping motherfuckers.
They be like, oh my god.
Is you blinking or is you licking?
Like which one?
You blinking or you licking? Do you hear me? Is you booking or is you looking? I think they licking. You need to get the blinking. Blinking.
Is you booking or looking? That's just
Don't do that.
Put a lady really hair down real quick.
No, yeah.
Gonna sauce her up, wet her up.
Tell me how you think. You know it get ugly.
We really a whole vibe. Them hoes JB did right.
Yeah, y'all cool, y'all cool.
Oh, look at
People be saying it. I promise your back with Jay turn. You just look.
I look like I hit with some.
they really. It's not gonna be on time. I promise you.
It's not about that. It's just about my makeup.
It's
her
her makeup.
And
And
the
girl cancel her.
Girls.
It's 3:33 and she's not even here now.
She like 19.
Y'all see curly. Diamond wig, don't do that.
Don't do that.
Before, even though you spraying me out in my eye, ma'am. You spelling me out in my eye.
Oh, sorry. It's so close to your real hair. I forget. It's so close to your
I would show you were there.
You might well start having your makeup so I can take pictures.
Look at that whole playing. That whole playing.
She's good.
She said, wet. What did I say?
Because she get makeup on the first thing I know from. But I spent half of my
Do you know how these girls like to rock their glocks?
I know how you girls like to.
Rock their glocks. So I don't mind the background. Because I'm trying to make a YouTube. They're very highly allowed.
Hello?
So you know how these girls like to rock your glocks. So.
You really look good. Boring. That's what they said. Big twin, not that little one.
White Bentley. Don't do that.
because you're aware of your
The big one, not the
Big
little
twin,
one.
not the big.
Not the little one. Not the little
The
one.
big Bentley, not the little one. Don't play with them.
Tell me how you think.
Wow.
How you gonna try it before? I don't know.
I don't know.
But she's back.
How about you?
I'm
Yeah,
crying.
baby.
Dang, this is not the scout.
She just, he ain't even took the band off.
It's coming out.
I
I can just see that right there.
ain't even take the band out yet.
Dang, that she seen it on there.
Wait, the little reveal.
Get into it.
You called me.
You like, hey, can I change my order to May 26th?
May what?
Because I'm not
Oh, okay.
Get into it. It's a little stuck. Ouch. It's a little stuck, but get into it.
April 30th. April is past. Oh, April 30th.
Get into it.
That's tomorrow.
Get into it. Where?
You said May
Oh, tomorrow.
26th,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I can
Where?
tomorrow.
May 26th.
What time? I can do tomorrow at 2.
So you gonna let her do your makeup here?
Probably that's the only option I got now.
Yeah, because your mama ain't going to be out here no time
That's
soon.
the option, yeah.
Yeah, it's not, you say you an hour away, not just 30, 20 minutes.
And then we gotta
Can I
send
do
out
baby?
Atlanta
And
traffic.
if I don't, the way people do hair in Stockbridge, I don't kind of like it. They got the little thing. I'm good up there. I don't want no little kids.
Tell me how you think. Like a bad bitch. Like, who was that girl that walked in here? Who was her? Y'all seen her? Because I did.
Who?
I don't know who that was. I think it was a little black girl. I'm a Puerto Rican girl right now.
What they claim